Good morning. It's a bit of a cold, blustery morning here, but just come to see if we can get some green woodpecker this morning. Seen them around here a little bit in the last few days, so just wanted to see if they're around. There's been about 3 or 4 in the field in front of me over here, and my real challenge is I really want to get the green woodpecker in flight, so that's what I'm going to be looking for today. Wish me luck, and we'll see what happens. So in quite a remote area this morning, come away from where most of the people are around. There is just out the back there is where there's a couple of lakes, and some it's great, you know, it's really quiet. Lots of wildlife around, not as much as in the reserve itself, but it's you never know what you're going to see, so we'll hunt around, and who knows. So we've been here for a little while this morning, probably about an hour and a half now, struggling to get some decent shots. Got a couple of shots in flight of the green woodpeckers. The light's quite nice, although I'm having to try and get too close enough to them. I'm having to come to a position which is shooting into the sun, which is not great. Yeah, we've got a couple. Not sure till we get back what they're going to look like, but hopefully there might be something there we can use. Bye for now.